Hello everyone in Cyber World. Welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Richard.
And this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
Okay, this one is actually going to be a very special project to us. A very good friend of ours has recently announced that he is going to be retiring. He has spent 47 years serving the United States military. A large portion of it is active duty, and then he actually became a civilian employee working for the Air Force as well. His unit had contacted me and asked me if I would help them to make something for him. Normally, what we do for these retirement go-away gifts is we make something out of sheets of uncut U.S. Treasury bills, and I do the origami on it. Unfortunately, what we learned is that the Treasury at this moment, because of COVID, they had to cut back on a ton of employees, so they are no longer selling the sheets of money. So we had to do something else. My understanding is that he had some requests of some ideas of what he wanted for his retirement. One of the things was he wanted something to do with his motorcycle. Another idea was that he wanted something to do with what they were going to be awarding him, which is referred to as the Meritorious Service Medal. So those were some ideas, and we came up with something, but the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to show you how we created a 3D origami motorcycle that we designed after his personal motorcycle. So this was a first time. I've never done this type of origami. We ran into a few problems, but overall we think it turned out well. Let's go ahead and show you how we did this. Since we decided to make a motorcycle, these are the pictures we obtained to use as a model.
We begin by cutting lots and lots of paper that are 3.5 centimeters by 5 centimeters, or for those who are old school, 1¼ inch by 2 inches.
We then fold tons of base pieces that will be used as building blocks to connect one another and create a sculpture.
We then used paper glue to begin assembling the pieces in hopes it would resemble a motorcycle. Things were moving along really well.
Then we sprayed it with polyacrylic and we thought we were finished. The polyacrylic dried and turned colors, making the motorcycle look filthy. This was unacceptable, so we started the entire process from scratch.
If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. We learned that the ink on the black paper bleeds and then gets onto other colors. So we used gloves and switched with each color.
Mini Poor Man found a local store that actually had silver origami paper, so we went with it, but is much more difficult to work with compared to plain paper.
The silver paper folded like aluminum foil, so we had to spread things out in order to use them like blocks.
Now we start gluing pieces together again, and we hope we can make it resemble the motorcycle. I ran a couple nails through a very beautiful piece of koa wood to use to mount the motorcycle.
Now that we finished making the 3D origami motorcycle, next week we're going to show you how we made a very special display case.
So until then,
Bye-bye.